Waking up to who you are requires letting go of who you imagine yourself to be. This is the real secret of life, to be completely engaged with what you are doing in the here and now. And instead of calling it work, realize it is play. The meaning of life is just to be alive. It is so plain and so obvious and so simple. And yet, everybody rushes around in a great panic as if it were necessary to achieve something beyond themselves. No amount of anxiety makes any difference to anything that is going to happen. Stop measuring days by degree of productivity and start experiencing them by degree of presence. You must not be afraid of playing wrong notes. Just forget it, play it wrong. But play.